Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this nail kit thing. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. So I've reviewed a lot of things from this brand before. They have a lot of amazing nail stuff. So if you don't want this, go ahead and check them out because I'm sure they'll have something else that's up your alley. But I've been wanting to try these for a while. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So it comes with these, which these are the nail kind of frame things that you're going to use. You can see they have a bunch of different sizes, so it'll fit everything in different shapes as well, depending on what you want. I usually do a nice ballerina nail. That's like my go-to. Right now I have nothing on because I was prepping for this. It comes with a nail drill and everything, so you won't have to worry about, like, pretty much this is going to come with everything that you need. There's the charger and everything for it. Look how cute this little nail drill is. It's all you need. So this is all the different bits it comes with. Great for like buffing up your nails because you're going to have to do that. And then comes with this. It comes with some nail forms and everything. Let me go ahead and show you. Some nail foil. Love it. These are the clips that you're going to actually use to hold down your nail. I'm just putting all the trash on my floor. So after you put it on, you're going to use this, which is nice. Comes with some little jewels to put on your nails. Love it. Nail scraper to prep your nails. A little brush for dusting your nails. Another little clippy thing for your nails. Some gold nail foil. I love nail foils on your nails. It'll take a nail, like make it super classy. These are some nail forms. These are if you want to do like a French tip or design. Some more little tips, forms, things. Cuticle cutter. I prefer the other cuticle cutters. Some toe separators, which is a must-have for me. Nail buffer, another one. I'm going to keep this one in the package because I don't need two out. This is a nail cleaner slit solution. It's for poly nail gel extensions. You have some more of those. These are to push back like the beds of your nails, kind of get everything cleaned up. Some nail oil. This stuff is amazing. They actually put this in a lot of their kits, and it is one of the best nail oils that you could use. And it comes with this too, and I know what this is. Used them before. So it has that to put on your poly nail, and then the brush to kind of brush it out onto the thing. These things are amazing, and this is going to be what you use with this. Makes it easy where it doesn't stick on it. Now let's go ahead and get into the colors that it comes with. So this is clear pink. That's going to be really pretty on the nails. This is wine red. You have black glitter, crystal rose, which is like a peachy color, clear orange, amethyst orchid, garden green, natural clear, clear sheepskin. That's going to be really pretty. You have peach pink, hawthorn rose, I believe that's how you say that, cherry mahogany. That's a really pretty brown. So this is silver glitter. That looks really pretty. Fuchsia rose glitter. Looks really pretty. Delicate blue. Fairy pink. You have crystal black, and the colors are going to be shown right there in case you don't see that. Clear brown. Clear rose. Coconut milk. Burnished lilac. Glitter. Mars red. And clear light tape. Then we have these ones right here, which these are probably going to be your prepping stuff and everything. So there's a magnetic one, and it is for the silver in case you do want to do magnetic. So that's what this one. And then you have your matte top coat, base top coat, and top coat right in here. I'm just going to keep this in here for now because I have another set that I'm actually have the same stuff. And then it does come with a UV LED light as well, which I do have a bigger one that I've been using that came with another kit that this brand sells. But this goes like this, and then it has a cord that plugs in, and then you'll just turn it on right there. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.